Hi guys. So are you on LinkedIn and posting various kind of content on LinkedIn to promote your business, services and products? How's the response for that? So most important aspect or most critical question today on LinkedIn is what should I post on LinkedIn so that I will get good response? How you are defining the response? Likes to your post or comments on your post is response of the post or result of your post is reaching to maximum people. But are they buying from you? Are they asking for your product or services? Are they asking about your business? Are they asking about you or your professional background or how you can help them in their business? Is it happening? And if it is not happening, then the content which you are creating, which is getting more likes and getting more response or comments, is irrelevant. I know various people are making efforts or learning from various online cheap courses to get more response to their post. But is that the target on LinkedIn? That you will get more response or likes to your post or comments to your post? It's more about growing your business, generating revenue and generating profits. And for that, content creating strategy is totally different. What your consumer wants, what is their emotion, what they really want. Is it fruitful for them when you are creating content? Is it giving solution on their problem? Is your content is solution on their problem? Are you giving social proofs to them of whatever you are saying? Is your business or is your communication relevant to their business or to their life? Do they really care about what you are saying? Do they really want to consume your content and take action on it? That is more important thing. So your content should not be targeted to get more likes and comments. The content should be targeted to get more revenue and profits. That's LinkedIn marketing. If you want to know more, connect with me on WhatsApp.